What's up, YouTube and DorkiDori fans? It is Friday, October 30th. I took the day off from my day job to actually come out to my fiberglass shop to finish off everything with the version 3 skirts. There was a few minor adjustments that had to be made in the molds last weekend, but I think we got everything wrapped up, and for those of you that have orders, your orders should start this week. So take a look at the video and I'll talk to you guys soon.